Hi, so once you log into your website, you're gonna come to this place where it's got your virtual office in here. This is mine, so I'm gonna just do remind me later. Then over here is where you see where to go, so you always go to virtual office. And then when you're actually ready to do your party, you can't see this. Let me make this bigger. Hang on. Up here it'll say party tab. I want you to click on your party tab, and then if you want to create a new party, you'll click here. I already have a party created, but you'll just do new party and start from there. I'm actually going to show you, we're running this special, so once you created your party tab, you'll want to I usually try to always keep one party link always open. Make sure you're saving this stuff, and then the link is right here where you can send this link out, or take a screen, save and paste it into the thing. So I'm going to go into the orders because we have this thing, and I have a few orders that I have to get processed here. So I'm going to just go back into this existing one. We were trying to combine our orders so we didn't have to pay for a bunch of shipping. So in here where you type in Lucky, and then you'll pick your number. So the Lucky Gumball Machine, or whichever one. So this way you can place the order for the lucky item. Okay. So this is Sarita. Wanted to make this short video for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.